We're gonna have a burping contest.
I need a soda. I need a freaking soda.
Anyway. This is my spoon.
Yeah, the spoon from the last video.
Go! Have you ever seen two teenage girls have a burping contest?
Dude, did you see that freaking chunker on there?
No.
He's like eating a cookies on
The black one?
No, yeah, the one with the bright blue shirt. He's like, he gets a cookie, he's like...
None of you saw that. I'm pretty sure you didn't either.
Wait, what? Oh my god, you smell like ranch. I don't want that anywhere near me. You're bored and you have like nothing to do.
Ranch tastes pretty good when you're bored.
Ugh. It's disgusting.
And it kind of looks sexual.
This is a shitty video.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, there's nothing to do. I'm bored. It smells so bad. Ugh.
Then hand me a potato chip. I won't dip it in ranch, I promise.
All I smell is ranch.
I won't dip it in ranch. Can you hand me a potato chip? Or do you want me to eat Doritos to make it worse?
AKA the fatty chip.
Hey, I eat these all the time. What are you doing? Call me fat?
No, I'm calling it chips fat. That can be redirected. You know, you just finished eating like half of that ranch thing by itself.
It was brand new too.
Ooh.
That's hot.
Newest update. She just ate an entire half of a package of ranch
No.
by itself.
No, only 1/4.
It just makes it more disgusting because you did it by yourself. Boob, I got you. Oh, I got you, boob.
You know you like my 38Cs.
You know you like my 34Bs. Your chunk.
Whatever, Hannah. You're tinier than me.
Well, you're tiny.
Me?
Yeah.
Tiny?
Yes, you. Tiny. Oh, God. It's the most pathetic thing I've ever seen in my life.
Okay. That was really gross. I'm gonna stand up and show you guys what I look like. Hold the camera.
Okay. Here is Brie. Okay? And go. Wait. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Right there. Isn't she?
It's okay. It's still there.
Isn't she pretty?
Look at that. Look at all that. You see all that? You see all that? And then my big butt. Oh.
You do not have a big butt. You're bootylicious. But okay, do a special dance.
Our dance?
Do it.
Our dance?
Yeah. I do my shimmy. Yep. One of my friends is a hoe.
Hey. It's okay. I'm just lit.
Okay, like there's really that much of a difference. What? She's doing it again. She's eating ranch again. Seriously, what kind of freak eats ranch by itself? It is now 12:34 in the morning, or as Brie would call it, a.m. in the morning. So, another thing, we still don't really. What? Then get something to drink.
But I don't want ranch.
Then don't drink ranch.
I'll drink milk.
Nice health choice. Yeah, newest status update. Bree is drinking milk.
It's not my glass yet. Okay, I just poured it.
She just poured a glass of milk.
No, it's a plastic red cup.
It's a plastic red cup. And she burped again. I hope you can hear that because that was pretty funny. Aren't you a sight for sore eyes for the camera? That is not attractive. Women should not have beards and mustaches.
Drink milk.
Isn't it? You just spit on me, you freak! Oh, you're freaking disgusting!
Make it worse.
Just a little bit.
Oh, it's 8 minutes. Bye.
What? 8 minutes? My bad.